Google has changed the way that you post to your Google My Business account, also known as the Google Business Profile. No longer is there an app for your phone or a dashboard for your computer. Now you have to actually do it from the search screen. I'm gonna show you how to do it on both, but let's jump over to my computer real quick. All right, I am on the Google screen. The first thing I'm gonna do is just type in my business name. You will type in your business name. We're just gonna search for it. Big West Marketing. And I'm gonna press enter. Okay. Now you're gonna see all the information for my business, but notice that I am logged into my Gmail account. The Gmail account I used to originally set up the Google My Business account, okay? So you need to be logged in order to see what I'm about to show you. So you're on the screen here, the search screen. You're gonna search down, you're gonna see all these new options down here, okay? This will not appear unless you are logged in. Your customers will not see this, only you when you are logged into your Gmail account. And all you're gonna do is click on this little down arrow and you're gonna see Add Update. This is the new way to make a Google post, is to click on Add Update. So I'm gonna click on that. Now you'll see a familiar screen here. This is what you used to see in the dashboard when you were on your desktop computer. So to add update, I can click this. I can add a description, I can add photos, and then just like before, I can add the button, and then I click post. Now I can also do an offer just like before, like if I'm having a special offer, if I'm having a coupon, etc. I can also do an event. Let's say I'm having a special show, a special event that I'm going to throw for my current clients. I would click here and go through the same steps as I would before in the dashboard. Now, if you like what you've seen so far, please subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of information on Google My Business, the Google Business Profile, how to rank, and how to do all these little things as Google makes their changes. To stay up to date, please subscribe. Otherwise, let's get back to our lesson. Now you're gonna see I'm at the home screen of my iPhone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the Google app. Now, once I open up the app, you're gonna see a Google search screen. Mine is in dark mode, yours may be in light mode, but it's gonna be the same exact process. Now notice real quick, once again, I am logged into the Gmail account that I used to set up my Google My Business back in the day. I'm logged into that Gmail account. This is crucial in order to make posts from your phone. So just like on the desktop, I'm gonna search for my business, Big West. There it is right there. And just like on the desktop, you're gonna see a new little section. Right here says your business on Google. This is where you're going to now make edits. This is where you're now going to make posts. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down, and it may take a little while. Look how far I have to scroll till I get to the posts section. And you're going to see this little button that says Add Update. So just like on in the desktop, you're going to click on Add Update. Now you're going to have an option here to just start adding photos, add a description, and then of course the little call to action button. And this is how you're actually going to make posts from now on. And that's it, guys. That's how you make posts from the desktop or the phone. Now, I'm not sure why Google made these changes. I'm not sure why Google made it more difficult. They're actually saying it's more convenient. Myself and all my clients and everybody I've talked to said it's way more difficult. The big thing, like I said, is just make sure you're logged in into your Gmail account before you start attempting to make any changes to the new format for the Google My Business or the Google Business Profile. Now I have a free offer for you. If you want to rank your business up on Google, or if you want to learn any of this stuff that I'm talking about in this video and all the videos on my channel, I've created a simple one-page cheat sheet that you can download for free by clicking in the description below. This has all the stuff we do for our clients for Google My Business and the Google Business Profile to get ranked #1. Now all you got to do is click on these little links here, and it'll take you to in-depth videos on each section so you can go and do this all yourself for free. So go down and download that now. Once again, my name is Joe Burnich with BigWestAcademy.com, and I will see you in the next video.